Hi everyone. We have here one of high-end dashcam. The brand is VANTRUE. This is the top of the line NEXUS 5. This NEXUS 5 is a 4-channel recording, front and back, and front interior and back interior. The nice about this VANTRUE NEXUS 5, the lens is made by Sony Starvis 2. It means even during night time, when you're capturing, you can still zoom in. When you post the video, you can still zoom in the plate number. This is how clear the lenses are. And they are not using ordinary battery. They are using super capacitor type of battery in the unit. You see, 4-channel. This is the front view outside. This is the back view, this one. Then at the up, this is the front view. Front view, and this is the back view of the vehicle. You can view this one through Bluetooth on your cell phone and record it. And they also made their own SD card. They have the 256 GB and also the 512 GB on it. And there's an option on this unit. You can use their OBD hardware kit. On this unit, we use this one compared to from the cigarette lighter. The purpose of this one, OBD hard kit, even your vehicle is on off position when you're parking, if someone hit your car or shattered the glass, the dashcam automatic turn on. And also, nice thing about this one is voice activated. You can say mute or start recording, anything. This is also came with the NEXUS 4. This is the 5, the NEXUS 4. NEXUS 4 is the 3-channel front and back and front interior. They also have for the motor, the Falcon series, and many more. Better safe than sorry, guys. Dashcam is very important, especially when you're driving. If someone accidentally hit you or hit you at the back, you can prove it. So what are you waiting for? Get your high-end dashcam here at PRS CAR ACCESSORIES. Bye!